Hi guys, welcome back to DevOps and Cloud channel. Guys, today we are seeing one more new project that is DevOps Mini Project 3. Guys, in this project, complete we are concentrating on Docker tool. Of course, we are using Git and Jenkins, and we are using one more tool, Trivy also. So the major concept to build image and to test that image by using Trivy and to upload that image into our Docker Hub registry. Then how we can create container, then how we can see that output inside the container, what we have deployed inside that container. So this is the scenario, guys. So in this scenario, so we are having source code, but today we are adding one more file, that is Docker file for building our custom Docker image. Then already we have having source code. Along with this source code, we are sending Docker file into GitHub repository. So once we push that code into Docker Hub, then we are going to integrating with Jenkins. Once we integrate Jenkins, inside the Jenkins server, we are going to installing Docker software also. So once we install Docker software, then we are taking that Docker file. Along with the source code to build Docker image. That Docker image calling as a custom image based on our requirement. We are going to building that image. Once we build that image, then we are sending to another tool, that is a Trivy. Trivy is a open source tool that used for to scan container images for vulnerabilities in the packages and libraries that enter image whatever it's contained. So simply, Trivy is an open source tool that used for scanning container images for vulnerabilities in the packages and the libraries what they have contained. Okay, guys. Then once we finish the scanning that image, then we are sending or we are uploading that image into Docker Hub registry. We are using public Docker Hub registry. So once it's over, whatever we build that image by our Docker file, we are going to creating a container. Once we finish that container creation, then we are checking that whatever we deploy that application inside that container from the browser. This is the scenario, guys. So for developing this project, if you want to follow me, yes, you should have GitHub account and whatever any either var or jar file source code by building Maven or npm project Node.js application or something. Okay, then you should have Jenkins server along with the Docker. If you want a Docker file, yes, you can take from my GitHub repository. So once I finish this scenario, I'll upload this all what is that Docker file and the source code and whatever the requirement for installing these applications. This all source files are uploaded into my Docker Hub registry, guys. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. Be ready for doing this practically, guys. Okay, thank you.